Hello guys, welcome back. Do you want to change your Gmail password on your Android device? Whether it's for security reason or just an update, I will guide you step by step. So let's get started. First, open the Gmail app. Now click on your selected account profile option and then click on manage your Google account. Now swipe right or scroll down to find the security tab and then tap on security option. Under signing into Google, tap on password. So here is the password. Tap on this. You might be asked to enter your current password to verify your identity. Now enter your new password and make sure it's at least 8 character or long and includes a mix of letter, number and symbol for better security. And then again type your password for confirmation. After confirming your new password, tap change password. You can see the button change password. That's it. Your Gmail password is now updated. Now you know how to change your Gmail password on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.